Hi you guys, I am in an up and coming neighborhood called Skyline and I'm checking out this newly remodeled gem. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, super open concept kitchen. Loving the finishes and love the island and how open it is. This would be our dining room and then it opens into a family room with this open wood beam ceiling. I absolutely love this. I mean, you can always paint it white if you want, but I love it. So right off the living area is your first hall bath. You've got a beautiful vanity, really lovely tub shower combo. I love the shower nook, the finishes, everything is just spot on. You've got 2 average sized bedrooms here facing the backyard. Here's your master, it faces the front yard, and you've got 2 closets right here, a shower, vanity, toilet. I'm loving the hex tile and all the finishes they did in here. I mean, they didn't go overboard with any of the finishes, but you know, they've got the can lighting, the newer floors, new interior doors, lots of upgrades. It's just so pretty is coming out of the hallway into this beautiful island. I just love it. I can totally picture someone having Thanksgiving dinner here and really enjoying the space. What do you guys think?
Out here from Buffalo. we're looking around and there's like all these people like looking like supermodels doing shit like this and we're like, what the fuck? Like, we need to get to like the gym. Probably. That's when the fun really starts.
It's a beautiful day in Ocean Beach.
I'll go to the drums. Didn't you go to the beach once at like a drug party?
Did you guys come to us?
No.
So we're waiting for our takeout. And it's gonna take 20 minutes, so we decided to stop by one of our friends' recent flips. And this is a gorgeous property in a great neighborhood with awesome views. So John's opening up these amazing doors. Check this out, you guys. I love these doors. So sexy. And here we are on the deck overlooking San Diego. Check that out. Beautiful property. So awesome. I love the focal point of the fireplace. Staging is really cute. Can I have all of this in my next living room? And then the kitchen is really sexy too. This is so sexy. Check out this glass tiled backsplash. I'm not sure if this is marble or quartz, but I'm just loving the texture of this countertop and the beautiful cabinetry. This is primo. Check that out. So I'm in the master. I really like what they chose for the vanity here, and you've got dual, so that's nice, his and hers, and then a real sexy tub here in the corner with a shower that could fit quite a lot of people.